Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Binance new account, full guide. Open the Binance app or website and choose Register, then enter your email or phone and a strong password. Check your inbox for the verification code and enter it to confirm contact details. Enable 2FA right away to protect your account and avoid using public Wi-Fi when signing in to reduce risk. Begin identity verification by selecting Identity Verification and following the prompts to upload your government ID and a clear selfie. Make sure your photos are well lit, fully visible, and match the document to help speed approval. If asked, provide proof of address or additional documents and recheck submission quality to avoid delays. Once approved, your account limits and fiat access will increase, so plan your next steps accordingly. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more clear crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: try leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks neat during long setup or trading sessions. They fit neatly in a laptop bag and prevent messy distractions. Check the description for the product link and any deals I found. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To fund your account, add a card, bank transfer, or deposit crypto from another wallet and confirm the transaction details carefully. Turn on 2FA, set an anti-phishing code, and enable withdrawal whitelist to lock down your account security. Begin with small deposits and a few test trades to become comfortable with fees and order types before scaling up. Regularly review security settings and update passwords when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.